Hey guys, welcome to Toy Scouter. It's me, Toy Hunter, and today we have a Chase giant surprise egg that took us 6 hours to make. So if you like him, give us a thumbs up. There are many details on Chase. There's his hat, his vest, and his pup pack. So now let's take him apart, starting with his hat. His pup pack. Here's all the pockets on it. His tail. His feet. Legs. His badge. His vest. His ear, eyes, nose, and the rest of his face. And all that's left is a giant Play-Doh egg. Man, this egg is heavy. There must be a lot of toys. Oh my gosh, look at all these toys. Oh, one fell off. Look at all these toys, guys. Let's start with this one. We got Paw Patrol playing cards. And each playing card has a Paw Patrol character on it. On this card, there's Zuma and another Zuma. Here's Chase and Sky, Rubble, and Rocky. Can you guys tell me who this is? Here's some of the other cards. Here is our second deck. They look like the same pictures. Yep, they're all the same pictures, but a different background. This is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Mashems. We got Donatello, and you can tell it's Donatello because he's wearing his purple bandana, and also he has a bow staff. There's a little gap in his teeth. Can you guys see it right there? And since it's a fashion, you can squeeze it. Oi! You! Yeah! Squishy, squishy, squishy. Squishy, squishy. Wada! Wada! Very cool. Let's put Donatello over here. Here is the Simpsons keychain made by Kid Robot. And there's 14 different characters to collect. And one mystery one. Can you tell who that is? We got Otto. And he's wearing a red and blue headphones plugged into a CD player right there. He's wearing his pink shirt, long black hair, and each of them comes with a key ring so you can attach it to anything that you like. That is so rad, man. Alright, Otto, go drive your bus over here. This is a Marvel's Collector Keyring Series number 2. And there's 10 of them to collect and 2 surprise ones. We got Drax from Guardians of the Galaxy, and he has his red tattoos all over his body, wielding his 2 knives. You can see he has a big belt. And behind him, there's more tattoos. And there's of a skull right there. And they come with a keychain, so you can connect it to anything that you like. Let's see him fight Leonardo. Whoa, whoa! That's pretty cool. Let's put them back over here. This is a dog tag and stickers from SpongeBob the movie. And each pack has 1 sticker and 1 dog tag. Here's the checklist. I kind of ripped it, but you can see all the different dog tags and the stickers. This is a sticker of Mr. Krabs. There's Mr. Krabs. He looks really angry. There's an anchor and another sticker that says, Sir Punch-a-Lot. Pretty cool. Let's stick this right here. Here's the dog tag, and it's a squirrel shooting nuts out of its mouth. And on the back, it says, The Rodent, number 424. Connected to the dog tag is a long chain, so you could wear it on your neck or connect it to anything that you like. Here we have a Hot Wheels mystery model, and each Hot Wheels mystery model comes with a car and sticker. There's 12 to collect. Here's a sticker, and this car is called 40 something. Just stick this on over here. Here's 40 something, and it's a yellow car with the number 40 on it. Let's try it out. Let's see how fast this is. Man, this car's pretty fast. We got a Super Mario Connects from series number 4. And there's 7 different characters to collect. We got Donkey Kong, guys. Now we just gotta put it together. You can see Donkey Kong has this cool hairdo. He has this tie that says DK on it. You can move his hands and his legs. I'm Donkey Kong. Here's a Minions Mystery Mini made by Funko. And there's 12 different Minions to collect and 3 exclusive ones just for Hot Topic. We got Jerry, and he's holding a teddy bear. We got Thomas and Friends Minis blind bag, and there's 70 different trains to collect. Here's the checklist. And and you can see all of the different trains that you could collect. We got Percy, and this is him in the classic edition. You can see it says 3 right there, and you could attach it to other trains right here, and you can hook it up right there. All aboard, choo choo, choo choo, all aboard the J train. This is a Paw Patrol with Chase, Action Pack Pup, and friends. You can see Chase right here, some of his buddies. In the back, it shows you the different friends you could get as well. And also what the action pack can do. Here's Chicoletta. Chicoletta's a chicken. You can see she got her cool red hair, wings, little floppy tail, and her feet. Let's put her right here for now. Here's Precious the kitten. Meow, meow, meow. And Precious is obviously a cat. Let's put her down over here. Hey guys, it's me, Chase, and check out my cool toy. You can see Chase and his action pack right there. Time to go save Chicoletta and Precious. Hey guys, you need rescuing? Help us. Come on, Precious, get on my pack. Good work, Chase. Now let's put you up over here. Let's see how many toys we got left. 1, 2. Here we have a Sonic the Hedgehog buildable figures. So here's Sonic, and check him out. He looks so cool. Has his big hair right here. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. Pretty sweet. And here's our last toy, guys. Can you guys tell me who this is? He's a bulldog. He has a yellow hat, Paw Patrol symbol, his shirt, and his belt with tools. And since he's a plush, he's really soft and cute. Look at him, guys. Let's put him down here. Well, guys, these are all of the toys that we have today. Tell me which one was your favorite. Mine would probably... Hey guys, welcome to Toy Scouter. It's me, Toy Hunter, and today we have a giant sky surprise egg. This egg took us 6 hours to make, so give me a thumbs up if you like it. Can you guys tell me what breed Sky is? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Let's take a closer look at Sky before we take her apart. She has her goggles on and her little doggy keychain, a backpack, and look at her cute little tail. Let's start with her ears. Her hair. Her goggles. Her backpack and tail. Her keychain and her collar. Her body. Check out the little pocket. Her legs and feet. And her face. Woof, woof. Whoa, there's a lot of toys inside. Check it out, guys. I see unicornos, a bunch of blind bag and blind boxes. What is this? Our first surprise is a My Little Pony blind bag. Here she is. Isn't she adorable? Check it out, guys. She's aquamarine and her fur is red. And then here, her cutie mark, they're candy apples. Yay! Hey guys! And this is a Minions Mystery Minis blind box. And here are all the figures we can get. We got Bob, and he has a big funny hat on. And he's also holding a rocket launcher. He's pretty funny looking, but he's also serious. Put me down before I shoot you with my rocket launcher. Cool! A Littlest Pet Shop's blind bag. Here's the checklist, and it shows you all of the cool figures we can get. And we got this one, number 3975. Isn't she pretty cute, guys? Her hair's all glittery and pink, and her body is purple. And these toys always come with a little cradle or something for them to lay in. Let's put it down. Check it out, guys. We got Ryder. He's a 10-year-old kid who's the leader of the Paw Patrol team. He's also a computer genius. And he's super cool. Check out his outfit. Here's the Paw Patrol symbol. And he has pretty cool shoes on. And check out his spiky hair. Awesome! We got a Unicorno Series 3 blind box. Check out all the cool, crazy details on this box, guys. And here are the figures we can get. Let's open it up. Sweet! We got Cosmo! And she's this chrome silver color. And on the side of her body, you can see a spaceship, a bunch of stars, hearts and crossbones, and over here, it's like a little planet, but it has a face. Her tail swings around. Ooh, and check it out, she even has wings. Let's see if she can fly. Oh no, hey, don't hit Ryder. Oh, sorry about that. We got a Paw Patrol Mashems, series number 1. It's Chase, and he has his police uniform on. Check it out. He has a blue hat, a blue shirt, and he's a little brown dog. Hey guys, what are you gonna do today? Can you help me find Ryder? What do you mean he's right over there? Oh, I see him. Thanks. Awesome! We got a SpongeBob SquarePants Series 3 blind bag. And on the back, it shows you all the figures we can get. Here's the checklist, and there's 8 of them to collect. Let's see which one we got. It came in a bunch of little pieces. Can you guys help me build it? This is pretty cool. But do you guys know the name of this character? If you know it, put it in the comment section below. He's red, and he has a bow tie. He looks kind of funny, and he's holding the stick with a jellyfish on top. I wonder if this jellyfish is his friend. This one is super awesome! Check it out, guys! We got a Paw Patrol sticker book, and it comes with 4 sheets and has over 300 stickers! Can you guys help me put some on? This one is Rubble. This one is Zuma. And this one is Sky. And the last sticker is Chase. Which one was your favorite sticker? Mine was Rubble. Let's pick out a new toy. It's a Disney Figaro keyring blind bag. No way, guys! We got an exclusive, and this one is Golden Tinkerbell. She's all one color, which is gold, of course, and right here are her wings, and in her hair are 2 ribbons. How cute! It's also a keyring, so you could put it on your backpack and show it off to your friends. Whoa! We got Sky, guys! And she looks super awesome! Check it out! Her collar, and her cool clothes, and her goggles. This looks just like the one on the egg, right? And this is a jetpack that she carries around. And if you press this, bam! She could fly! Pew! You're a pretty good pilot, Sky. Thank you! Can you guys tell me how many members are on the Paw Patrol team? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. And this is a puppy in my pocket blind bag. And here are all the figures we can get. And here's a checklist for series number 1. And there's 24 to collect. We got Bailey, and she's an Old English sheepdog. She's white and gray, and she's super cute and furry. And here, on her lap, is a little sheep. I love sheepdogs because their hair always covers their eyes. I don't know how they see, but they look super cute. What do you guys think? I love watching my sheep. Hey, no one mess with them. Did you guys see a wolf nearby? Because I want to catch him. See ya. Can you guys help me count how many surprises are left inside the egg? 1, 2, and 3. We got a Care Bears blind bag. And there's a bunch of them to get. Let's open it up. Aww, how adorable, guys. We got Love-A-Lot Bear. And she's all pink and glittery. She has 2 hearts on her tummy. And on the back, right here, she has a little heart. How cool! And check out her hands. I don't know if she's sucking her thumb or just has it there touching her chin. Nice! We got a Disney Frozen foil pack. and it comes with one dog tag and some stickers. Let's take a quick look at the checklist. Here are all the stickers, and these are all of the dog tags. I love getting stickers. This one has Kristoff and Sven. Here's Olaf flying in the air, and Elsa. Here's the dog tag we got, and it says Family Forever. And here's the sisters, Anna and Elsa. And on the back, it says Frozen. Sisters number 16 of 24. Remember to be kind with your family because they'll love you forever. And we're down to our very last surprise, guys. Let's check it out. It's a Cowboy Marshall figure, and it looks like he could do a bunch of cool stuff. And on the back, here are some of the other figures we can get. I can't wait to open this one up. Isn't he awesome, guys? He has his cowboy hat on, and a fireman uniform, or should we say fire dog, and on the back it's a fire extinguisher. If you press this button, it pops up. Bam! And then you can light out a fire. Yeah! Good job, guys! No, good job, Marshall. And that's all for the surprises, guys. Which one was your favorite? Mine was Bailey the sheepdog. I just love this one. Hey guys, welcome to Toy Scouter. It's me, Toy Hunter, and today we have a giant Zuma surprise egg from Paw Patrol. This egg is made out of 100% Play-Doh and took us 5 hours to make. So give me a thumbs up if you like it. Can you guys tell me the main purpose of Zuma on the Paw Patrol team? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Before we take Zuma off the egg, let's get a closer look at him. He's wearing a little life jacket and his collar with an anchor on it. Here's his little backpack and his helmet with the Paw Patrol logo. Pretty awesome. Let's start with his legs. His life jacket and collar. His tail. His hind legs. His backpack. And his face. Check out all the detail. Whoa! There are a bunch of surprises inside, guys. I see Minion stuff, Avengers, Paw Patrol, and a bunch of others. Let's start with this one. It's a Minions Mystery Minis blind box. And on the back are all the figures we can get. Whoa! We got Stuart, and he's playing with the guitar, and he's singing. Blah da da, doo doo doo, lee dee dee, da da da. And check this out. It looks like it's made of bones. It's a Marvel's Avengers Age of Ultron dog tag blind bag. Here's the checklist, and inside are all the dog tags we can get, and on the back are the character foil tags. Here's a sticker we got, and it's of Hawkeye, and on the back is the Avengers symbol. This pack came with 2 dog tags, and here's the first one. It's all silver, and it says Marvel's Avengers, Age of Ultron. And on the back, the same thing. Here's our second dog tag. Let's get it out of the bag. It's of Captain America, and he's holding his giant shield made by Tony Stark's dad. And on the back, it says Captain America, number 3 of 18. Whoa, check it out, guys. Here's Zuma's lifeboat. It's orange, gray, black, and blue. It has wheels, and these are the anchors, just like on Zuma's helmet. And over here, it's number 7, because he's the 7th pup of the Paw Patrol team. Let's take this out for a spin. Oh no! It crashed into the egg! Let's put him down somewhere. Let's check this one out. It's a Thomas and Friends Minnie's blind bag. And it's made by Fisher-Price. Here's the checklist. And inside are all the trains we can get. And these are some special ones. It's Samson from the creatures category. He's black with a bunch of bananas on him. That's pretty funny. And check out his face. It looks kind of dirty. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. All aboard. Cool. We got a Paw Patrol's Mashems, series number 1. We got Rocky, and he's gray with a green outfit on. Woof, woof. He's also one of the main characters of Paw Patrol. He looks pretty cool, and he's super squishy. Blip, blip, blip. Do do do, do do do, do do do. It's the Lion Guard blind bag, and inside is a collectible minifigure. And on the back are all the figures we can get. Awesome! We got Keon, guys, and he's the main character of the Lion Guard. He's a little cub, but he looks pretty ferocious. Don't mess with me. I will lick you. This guy's pretty funny. Up next, we got a Minecraft minifigure blind box, Series 3, the Netherrack series. And of course, on the side are all the figures we can get. Watch out, guys! It's a withered skeleton! And he's trying to hurt us! Don't worry, I will save you! Choo 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 choo! Whew, thanks for saving us! See ya! Check this one out! It's a Mighty Morphin Power Rangers blind box. In here are all the figures. The Red Ranger would be awesome. Let's hope we get him. Here's the checklist, and on the back, it's the Yellow Ranger, number 4. It's morphin' time. Pew, pew, pew. Girl, girl, girl. Here she is, and she's all yellow, of course, and a little bit of white. Here's her little gun, and it's called a morpher. And on this arm, it's a little dagger. Where's Rita Repulsa? I gotta beat her up to save the world. Whew, she's not around. Aw, we got a cute little figure of Zuma, and he looks just like the one on the egg earlier, right? He's a dark brown color, and he's wearing orange. He could fly! Wait, never mind, I'm not Sky. Ah! Just kidding. He looks pretty awesome, huh guys? But before I put him down, can you guys tell me what kind of puppy Zuma is? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. See ya, Zuma. Go save somebody, alright? We got a puppy in my pocket blind bag, series number 2. Whoa, check out all the puppies. Here's a cute little puppy we got, and her name is Susie. She's all white, and she's super adorable. Check out her tail, it's super curly. And her ears are sticking up. Hey, she likes you guys. It's a Paw Patrol blind bag, and inside is a figure of Chase. Aw, Chase looks pretty adorable. He doesn't have his outfit on, but he has his hat and little collar. Did you guys know Chase is a police dog and also one of the main characters of Paw Patrol? Can you guys help me count how many surprises are still left inside the egg? 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is pretty neat. We got a Yokai Watch blind bag. And inside are a couple of medals. Let's open it up. Here are the medals we got, and it looks like it came with a little checklist. Let's open that up too. Here's a little checklist it came with, and inside it shows you all the Yokai Watch we can collect. Whoops, it's backwards. There we go. Here's the little medal we got, and it looks like this guy is shooting lightning. And if you put it in the Yokai Watch, he'll make noise.
Something mysterious!
Big nibble!
So I guess his name is Mysterious.
Big nibble!
And here are 2 other medals. Let's see what this is first. It looks like another checklist. Nope, just some instructions. Let's try this guy. He looks like a little monkey holding a sword. Hi Brave! And here's the very last medal we got, and it looks like a giant turtle. That's pretty cool. Let's put him down. And our next surprise is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles blind bag and their Elf Collector keyrings. And of course, on the back are all the keyrings we can get. Cool! Check it out, guys. We got Raphael. And you can tell by the R on his belt and, of course, his red face mask. He looks super cute, huh? And check out these weapons. And, of course, this is a little key ring so you can put it on your backpack or anywhere else you like. Sweet! We got a Transformers exclusive blind box, and it's of a power pack. And of course, on the side are all the little figures we can get. Here's a little information about Wheeljack, the figure we got. He's an Autobot and a mechanical engineer. Whoa! Check out all the details on Wheeljack. On the front, it says Loyal. And here's the number of his car, I guess. And on the side is the Autobots logo. He has some guns on his shoulders. And on the back, he has wings. And this is the coolest part. You guys see this little black button? If you press it, the side of his ears lights up. That's so cool. And we're down to our very last surprise, guys. Let's see who it is. Aww, we got Sky, another member of Paw Patrol. Here's her little collar and her pink goggles. She likes wearing goggles because she's a pilot. And this is a water toy, so if you put it in a bathtub and squeeze it, water will shoot out. And we're all out of surprises, guys. Out of all these toys, which one is your favorite? Mine was Wheeljack. I just like the details on him, and of course, this little light.